Hi everyone, welcome to Medicinal Note YouTube channel. Here we are with the topic Clostridium perfringens. Its morphology. It is a gram-positive bacilli, spore forming, and it has a subterminal bulging. Here is the bulging which looks like this. It is a club-shaped organism. It is capsulated and it is anaerobe and it is non-motile. The most important case is it causes gas gangrene. This Clostridium perfringens cause gas gangrene. The Clostridium perfringens is normal inhabitant of large intestine of human and animal. Clostridium perfringens is normal habitant of large intestine of human and animal, and it is found in the feces. Spore. The spore are destroyed within 5 minutes of boiling, but those of food poisoning strain of type A and type C resist boiling for 1 to 3 hours. Normally, the spores dies for 5 minutes of boiling, but those which cause food poisoning, the strain like type A and type C, resist boiling for 3 hours. This can be killed, the food poisoning strain A and C, which makes boiling too late for 1 to 3 hours, can be killed by autoclaving process at 121 degrees Celsius at 15 minutes is lethal. Pathogenicity. Virulence factor. Clostridium perfringens strain are classified into 5 types. A to E. A, B, C, D, and E, based on the toxin produced. Toxin. Clostridium perfringens form 12 distinct toxin. The 4 are major. They are alpha toxin, beta toxin, epsilon toxin, iota toxin. Alpha toxin produce all types of Clostridium perfringens, mostly type A strains. Always alpha, which stands for A for alpha and A strains, it always produces A strains. Responsible for profound toxemia and gas gangrene. And it is lethal, denecrotic and hemolysis. Decronecrotic and hemolysis. And it is specifically neutralized by antitoxin as Nagler reaction. The beta, epsilon, iota toxin have lethal necrotizing property. Minor toxin. Gamma, eta have minor lethal action. Kappa toxin has coagulase. Lambda toxin is a proteinase and gelatinase. Mu toxin is a proteinase and gelatinase. Nu toxin is a deoxyribonuclease. Enzyme. Neuraminidase destroy myxovirus receptor on RBCs. The enzyme which is neuraminidase destroy the myxovirus receptor present in the RBC. ANH destroy the blood group substance. Histamine, fibrinogen, these are the enzymes which are used. The bursting factors, specific action of muscle tissue are responsible for lesion of gas gangrene. Some of the action of the muscle tissue is responsible for lesion in the gas gangrene. Circulating factor. Increase in adrenaline sensitivity of capillary bed also inhibit phagocytosis. Clinical manifestation. Gas gangrene mostly caused by Clostridium perfringens are type A. Most gas gangrene which are caused by Clostridium perfringens are type A and also known as anaerobic myositis or clostridial myonecrosis. Gas gangrene smears rapidly spreading, and edematous myonecrosis associated with wound infection and extensive muscle masses contaminated with especially Clostridium perfringens. Gas gangrene is a rapidly spreading edematous myonecrosis associated with wound infection and extensive muscle mass contaminated with especially Clostridium perfringens. This is a gas gangrene is a characteristic disease of war. Pathogenesis. Exogenous, endogenous. Bacteria enter along the imported foreign particle. Also present on the normal skin, example thighs. Endogenous. Infection after clear surgical procedure, especially after amputation of vascular disease, for vascular disease. Here in the surgery they are using here the pathogenesis due to the surgery, which is endogenous, and exogenous. The bacteria enter along the foreign particles, and also generally it is present in the skin, example thigh. Incubation period is 10 to 48 days. Other manifestation: food poisoning. Some strain of type A are markedly heat resistant of the S4 and feeble production of alpha and theta toxin. The food poisoning by Clostridium perfringens are usually by warmed up meat or dish are cold. Incubation period is 8 to 24 hours after the abdominal pain, diarrhea and vomiting. Treatment: the illness is self-limiting. The recovery occurs in 24 to 48 hours. Gangrenous appendicitis. Clostridium perfringens type A and type D strains. Necrotizing enteritis. This is severe and often fatal, caused by type C strain with heat resistance 4, producing beta toxin causing necrosis. Thoracic infection. Clostridial infection of the chest cavity follows penetrating wound of the thorax. Urogenital infection. The infection of the urinary tract occasionally followed by the surgical procedures such as nephrectomy. The pathology is due to exogenous and endogenous. Here it is endogenous due to the surgical procedure. Lab diagnosis. Bacteriological examination. Scanty pus cell diverse bacterial flora in phloem forms a gas gangrene. Specimen: phloem from the muscle at the edge of the affected area, or from the tissue in the necrotic area, or from the exudate in the deeper part of the wound. Microscopic examination. Larger number of regular brick-shaped positive bacilli without spores are seen in the microscope. Culture: plate serum or egg yolk agar with Clostridium perfringens, spread of half with antitoxin, produces no zone of opacity due to specific neutralization of alpha toxin. Here without antitoxin. Colonies are surrounded by zone of opacity. The Nagler reaction is a lecithinase effect for rapid detection of Clostridium perfringens. Reverse cam test to identify Clostridium perfringens. Here the Clostridium perfringens are streaked over the center of the plate, and the Streptococcus agalatiae are streaked perpendicular to the Clostridium perfringens. If the test is positive, there is a formation of arrow shaped zone which enhances the hemolysis. While this is reverse cam test. Biochemical tests are indole negative, MR positive, VP negative. Nitrates are reduced to nitrate. Prophylaxis and treatment. Surgery in gas gangrene. Hyperbaric of CO2 beneficial where the facilities exist. Antibiotic effective in prophylaxis, and it is a combination with surgery. Drug of choice. Metronidazole is given in IV before the surgery, repeated for 8 hours for 24 hours, every 8 hours for 24 hours. This is given for every 8 hours for 24 hours, 3 times a day. Along with clindamycin and cephalosporin are also combined. Passive immunization is also common prophylaxis done with anti-gas gangrene serum. Please do subscribe, like and share. For more videos, please do comment.